How to fix storage permission denied error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix storage permission denied error. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's begin. First, locate your settings app and then open it up. Now go to the apps option on your settings. After you're on the app, you'll need to select the app that is experiencing this error. You can simply open it up. If you don't see it, head over to see all apps and then locate the app. So let's say my Discord is giving me this issue. So I can just open this up, go to permissions. From here, scroll till you find an option that says files and medias, or your photos, videos, and everything relating to files and medias. So choose the appropriate option, that is allow limited option or allow all option, and selecting those will fix the problem. If it does not, you can restart the device, press the power up and volume button, power and the volume up button, and then restart the device. And go back here on your app info, this section right here, go to storage and cache, and then clear out the cache for this app. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.